conversation. Today, we come to study about conversation, meeting new friend. Hello? Hi. Can you speak English? Yes, of course. What's your name? My name's Wong. Where do you come from? I come from Vientiane province. Are you new here? I've not seen you before. Yes, I just arrived yesterday. Do you like it here? Yes, I am very excited to be here. How long have you been here? 2 weeks. When and where were you born? I was born in 1994 at Sengchanh province. Are you married? Yes, I am married. And you? What do you do for work? I am a teacher. How about you? I am a driver. Do you know what time it is? It's 9 o'clock. What did you say? I said it's 9 o'clock. Thank you. You're welcome. Do you have any exciting plans this weekend? Yes, actually, it's my sister's birthday. We are going to have a big party. What do you like to do on a weekend? I like reading and listening to music. I'm looking for the National University. Can you tell me how to get there? Yes, you can go this way. Do you know if there is a toilet around here? Yes, there's one here. Thank you. Is there a restaurant near here? Yes, there is a restaurant nearby. That's the next corner and it's next to the shop. I have to get going. Thank you so much for your help. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Good luck for you. You too.